Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use templates in PixVerse. So that platform PixVerse is an AI platform that can generate your pictures or videos, or right, so it can generate your picture and turn it from a picture into a good video that well fits your ideas. So let's go into that website. We can just go into app.pixverse.ai/home. Alright, so right here, as you can see, there are some options on the left side, this menu. So right here I want to go into templates, and as you can see, there are multiple templates right here. So for me, I will go into any template. So for you, you will go into that one that will fit your idea. So for example, I will choose that one. Alright, and once I click on it, it will give me the idea that was typed on this or to generate this video. So as you can see right here, it says a monster suddenly appear in the scene and starts walking around. Alright, so once I will type on here, everything will be completed, and then I just need to click on create. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says we need an image or video from your device to let the templates begin. So I will upload, for example, that picture, and yeah. Alright, so it's uploaded. Right here, I just need to click on create, and it will be that picture will be generated as same as this video or similar to it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.